Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. Come on your body. Oh shit, I see bros. That last time when you watch my work, you know subscribe. You did not subscribe to my channel. Please hit the red subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so that when I knock another video, you'll get on sharply. Come on everybody. Oh shit. Alright, what did they bring the O'Shea TV crew? They come on air right now. Get K-leg, you get Kobo leg, and now so the matter be. Yes, see, I want to talk about those people where they follow too much. Zombie, you they follow. Why you they follow? You they follow. All those people will be say they not really focus on their career. Those people will be say they look people, say they do something. Those people will be say their friend act film, they won't act film. Their sister said tomato, they won't say tomato. Which day? Which day you want to do your thing? Which day you want to do your thing? Now so one day follow. You be a woman, one day you go become great woman, and people go hear your name. Now so you want take achieve guy man, one day you give one get belle, go come born picking for you. Alpha. Now follow you want to give them bread. Now follow you want to put food for table. To all those people they get follow. Now because of Nana make me come here. Mona, listen to the vibe. Yes, listen to the vibe. Oh shit, come on your body. Yes, get sense. And to all those jealousy Nigerians, they get one thing where they do where they say they bust my brain well. Where person never blow. Nigerians they never go find your yash. They never go find your yash out. Hilda Basi, we put what here mama shwam. And she can't put face, she can't put eye. Got it one where. She don't be follow now. Wait till they try tell you so. She don't be follow. Hilda Basi, they get her cook for 100 hours. The time which they cook the 100 hours. Nobody go there go help them rather than chop. Now Nigerians go chop there. Chop. Now we go chop there. Now she don't succeed for 100 hours and some few minutes. She succeed am. She collect am from that Indian girl with first win am. Where her name be Latatondo. Latatondo did it for 87 hours and 45 minutes. When you Indian. Kudos to that Indian lady. Not easy. It's not easy. But trust Nigeria. Nigeria pick calm. 100 hours plus. Hilda Basi. I come on my cap for you. Oh, sorry, I know cap. I come on the cap for you. To all those jealous Nigerians, where the vex say who she tells before she go start the 100 hours cook, before she go enter the cookathon business, before she go get long throat, say she won't carry the Guinness Book of Record for this matter. We consign cook so. Say now who she tell? Now you she for tell? No, now you she for tell? Now I make her be saying they never even give her the record, they never even give her the stardom, she never even collect the fame finish, she never even enter the Hall of Fame. Now don't go find the birthday picture. Go find the birthday picture. Now don't go find the girl birthday picture. Come put them online, see Percy way be say cook for us, we will chop. It is say they want she and she put for the food. All of us chop the food, nothing that happen. The girl is a very good cook, I won't lie to you. If I have my way, I'll marry and give my grandfather. Come on your body. Oh shit. Now be say she won't go do anything though, she really cook for them. Alright, like what we talk before, jealous Nigerians, the level where we dey now, with the rain, we are topping charts all over the world. With the rain, we are good at everything. Nigerians are blessed. Now only Nigerian person go abroad, go survive, even no job. They don't go thief person thing, but yet he go survive. Nigerians they on board. Alright, I'm making up like say I they talk too much. We'll go straight to the point. The story with the grand is not far-fetched. Now about Hilda Basi, we cook for 100 hours and some few minutes, and she collect this position from the former girl will be Latatondo, an Indian that engaged in a long hour of cook. It's 7 hours and 45 minutes. That was what she did. Latatondo, I greet you. Come on, everybody. O'Shea, like I said before, straight to the point. What really tripped me for the whole matter be say, who sponsor her? She really tried. Oh, she really tried. I won't lie to you. I don't know who sponsored her. I don't know how she take get money for her sponsor. She invited a lot of artists. Wow, come on your body. Oh she, that girl is something else. All these waka waka girls, we never fit channel their left and their right. They never fit find their destiny. I hope see that they learn work. Some self no even sabi cook. You go marry person, keep for us. Tell us to make you cook banga soup. We will serve you the seed and fresh pepper to make it eat starch. I've been a eba. Come on, buddy. Oh shit. Finally, she's been certified as a winner. And now today Tuesday, so as I talk to you, so now this morning, now they give her the thing. It ever see, you don't make us proud. At least the Indian girl go to feel and now say, Bob, you know easy. Yeah, Nigerians that they try. And recently we hear say get one girl whether na from Oshun or been a Ibadan. That one they cook. As I talk to you like this now, she they cook. So wait to Guinness Book of Record now. If the girl call cook now, call cook like 110 hours now. When I call come back, call give her, I don't understand. Hey, I beg, I never know her name. I don't want to know her name first until when she don't pass that record before we go know her name. They cook. They cook. Oh. They cook. You never invite us call shop. Invite us call shop. Mo be your guest. Where you see Idabasi so you not like her. Come on your body. Oh shit. We won't talk about the delay. You know, say to carry certificates of Guinness Book of Record, not be beans. A lot of people just they talk Kenya. Not be beans, so it no easy. It no easy. And Hilda Basi, when be the person will run the matter, understand that one well. She no ever play wayo. She no play wayo. Everything the Oyibo they confirm the record, they read and where everything go where. The only thing we call it here, finally. Now based on C.
I can now announce that with a time of 93 hours and 11 minutes, Hilda Basi is the new holder for the Guinness World Records title for longest cooking marathon. Congratulations, you are officially amazing.
What it could happen? No, what it could happen? The girl said she cooked for 100 hours and some minutes. Una we be Oyibo, we be Guinness Book of Record representatives. Una say na 93 hours and 11 minutes. What is the difference? She not win. She not win. No, answer the question. She not win. Idabasi abe collect your glory there. Where they happen? Collect your glory there. Collect your glory. Ah, babe, you be. You try. It's not easy. Kudos for you again. Ciao. Finally, to round this whole matter up. To the girl, we say you don't want learn work, you don't want to stay for boyfriend house, you don't want stay marriage, you don't want to work, you don't want to do anything for life. What they want you to do? See, from Idabasi matter, learn. You gotta learn. You hear me? Learn very well. You gotta learn. You gotta learn. Learn. Okay, now so the matter be before I go, I want to ask one question. All of us now Africans, why be say if married man enter hotel room, no wala. Person wife enter hotel room. Even if you not go do anything, why busy the talk the day? Alpha, drop your comment on the comment section below. Come on, your body. Oh shit, bro, subscribe now. Subscribe to my channel now. I beg, Nana, they feed me. If you're not subscribed, I know if you still. Oh shit, come on, your body. I sign off. Well.